Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Vanshika's Nature Harmony, which is located in Uttarahalli, Bangalore, a project developed by Vanshika Life Spaces. And today we'll be doing the project overview, in which we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built up area, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. But before starting the video, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So this is the marketing office. We'll be getting all the details and the information of the project, and about the land parcel is just on the opposite side of the marketing office where the construction work is going on. Now, let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry, because now Housey is here who connects you directly with builders, because in Housey the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview with the help of this miniature. So Vanshika's Nature Harmony is constructed on total 4.9 acres of land parcel, consisting of total 6 towers in all, with each tower of 2 basement ground plus 10 floors, having 3 BHK residencies in different variants. Now coming to the location part, so this project is connected to Talagattapuram main road in Uttarahalli, South Bangalore. So let me show you that this is the Talagattapuram main road. So this bridge which you can check out is the Nice Ring Road, which is very close to the project. Now coming to the further connectivity and location of the project, so you can connect to D-Mart in 5 minutes of the project. Silk Institute metro station is also 5 minutes away from the project, and Manipal Hospital is 15 minutes of drive from the location of the project. Now coming to the amenities part, so this project has 60 plus luxurious Bali inspired amenities. So let me show you with the help of this miniature. So this is 21,000 square feet of clubhouse, including all the indoor amenities with swimming pool on the rooftop. This is the amphitheater, the garden area, kids play area, and many more amenities in this project. Now coming to the super built up area, as mentioned, this project will be having purely 3 BHK residencies in different variants. So there is 3 BHK compact, 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK and 3 BHK Lux premium residencies. So 3 BHK compact is starting from 1465 to 1506 square feet. 3 BHK is starting from 1624 to 1786 square feet. 3.5 BHK is 1804 to 1917 square feet, and 3 BHK Lux is 1928 to 2011 square feet super built up area. Now let's discuss the booking process. So the project booking window is open now. We are inviting our clients to come and visit the site, where our sales team will explain the complete project detail along with the project 3D model. We'll share the payment and pricing scheme, and we'll show you the sample and the actual flat as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was the project overview of the residential project, that is Vanshika's Nature Harmony, which is located in Uttarahalli, South Bangalore, a project developed by Vanshika Life Spaces.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.